Hello all. My name is Manga Sridhar Akella. I'm in the role of CISO and DPO for Yash Technologies, looking for the enterprise security globally. I've been attending Amar's incident response sessions and other courses. It has been absolutely brilliant, practical, and real-time experience. Insights have been brought in, and the best thing is you always have a checklist-based approach, the simplest way to understand how to do things, and then you have a workflow-based methodology wherein you understand where the things are coming from, and every incident response team member should attend this course, and that will give us more insights on how to handle your day-to-day security in a more simplest way. And thank you, Amar, for all your practical insights. Really appreciate that.